Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 19. One feature of the average fixed cost is that it A. Falls continuously but is never equal to 0. B. Is U-shaped and intersects the y-axis. C. Rises and falls faster than the marginal cost. D. Is always higher than the average variable cost. So the concept we are looking at here is average fixed cost. An average fixed cost is defined as the fixed cost of producing a unit of output. Now on the graph, if it's plotted, graph of cost against output, the curve looks like this: average fixed cost. So from the curve you can observe that it falls continuously but never reaches the origin, never gets to 0. So falls continuously but is never equal to 0 is option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.